Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to check Gmail password in mobile. So if for example you've forgotten your password, well you can actually see it on your mobile device here. As long as you've logged in into your Gmail account here on your mobile device. So first thing is you want to open up your Gmail application. So go ahead and go to Gmail application, and from here you actually want to go to the top left of your screen. Let's just go back to the main menu here. So here in the mail section of your mobile application, just click on the top left. That's where the three bar icon is. And from here, you don't want to actually just scroll at the very bottom of your screen and just click on settings. Under settings, you want to use or select the email address that you want to view the password for. So for example, I have this email address here. And from here, you actually want to click on the manage your Google account setting just underneath the account section. Then once here, you want to actually hover or scroll at the top bar of that specific UI. So here we have home, personal info, date and privacy, and security. So you want to select security here. And from here, you just want to scroll down at the very bottom again. And from there, you'll be able to see the password manager option. So here, just click on password manager. And under password manager, if you've recently saved your Google account here, you'll be able to see the google.com option. So here, just click on the google.com option here, and it's going to actually verify that if it's you that is actually accessing or want to see your password. So just verify yourself maybe via PIN or your fingerprint here. And from here, you'll be able to see your email address and as well your password. So if you click on the eye icon there, you'll be able to see your actual password. And when you click on the next icon next to the eye icon, that's the copy icon there. If you click on that, it's going to copy your password to your clipboard, and you could basically just paste it to any text box there. So if you want to add a note here, you could go ahead and add that. So just click on edit, and from here you could edit your password and add notes, or even edit your username or email here. So once you're done, you could just basically go back into your previous UI, and from here you could also do a password checkup to check the strength of your password, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.